Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Curran Lyles. I'm the Vice President for Student Affairs here at Kean University. So Leadership in Action this year is the theme for our retreat. We've kind of talked about that. We've given them a definition of what leaders are, but now we really want them to be introspective about being leaders. What does it take to be leaders? What type of values you have that influence your leadership styles? And then how do you put that into action?
Being a leader to me means helping my community, showing others my value, and helping everyone and anyone in the best way possible.
To me, being a leader is sort of being a beacon of light to others as you guide them through life. You are sort of that person who gives them steps and guidance, someone for them to look up to, and you support others on their way through life.
Something new I learned about myself from this retreat was definitely about my leadership style. As we were having that conversation, it made me deeply reflect on what kind of leader I want to be and how I want that to reflect through both my actions and my words.
I will be a leader in action when we return back to campus by being proactive, as well as engaging in other student organizations and groups, as well as empowering others and inspiring others to lead as well.
Being a leader means to advocate for others and just become a role model and have them look up to you, because you are the exact meaning of what leadership means.
When I return back to campus, I'm hoping to get more involved in academics and school clubs, and hopefully I'll get to be more of a leader by getting to meet new people and just branch out more on campus.
Being a leader means inspiring others and collaborating with them to make sure they grow to what they want to be eventually in the future.
To me, being a leader can have many different meanings. It can either be stepping up and taking the initiative in a group, or stepping back and letting someone else take the light to kind of voice their ideas and opinions. And you can kind of learn how to delegate in your groups and pull on different leaders' strengths that are working with you. And I feel like that makes up a really good leader.
We're always growing. Everybody's continuing to grow. So I'm receiving just as much as we're putting out. The presentations, yes, they are for our students, but we're sitting in there as well. I'm learning as well. I'm adding to my toolbox. And so this is just a continuing development and growth for myself as well. And that's what I look at it as.